Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you 4 quick ways to track and manage employee time logs. Before we start, just make sure the Time Tracking ClickUp is enabled in your workspace settings. Step 1. The Timesheets Hub. First, for the easiest high-level view, use the Timesheets Hub. Head to your sidebar and select Timesheets. If you're an admin, you can switch to the All Timesheets tab to see exactly how many hours every team member has logged. You can filter this by specific employees or even by billable versus non-billable hours. Step 2. Dashboard Cards. Next, if you want a visual breakdown, use Dashboards. Create a new dashboard, click plus Add Card, and select Time Tracking. From here, you can choose a time reporting card for a summary by user or a timesheet card for a classic table layout. You can even click on a specific bar or pie chart slice to drill down into exactly which tasks those hours belong to. Step 3. List and table views. If you prefer working directly within your tasks, you can add a time column to any list or table view. Just click the plus icon in the top right, select Add Existing Fields, and toggle on Time Tracked. To see the total for the whole team, hover at the bottom of that column and click Calculate, then Sum. Finally, if you need that data for payroll or external analysis, you can export it. If you're on the business plan or above, just click the ellipsis icon on any time tracking dashboard card to download your data directly to Excel or CSV. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.